I'm going in for the kill. I'm doing it for the thrill.
Yeah, right here blowing this motherfucker blue dream, man. Trying to make $1 million in this motherfucker, you know? Yeah. J Ryder, Southwest, AZ on 'em. Yeah. I'm riding leather, blowing kush out my nostrils. I got dope. Head Capitan in this game, head honcho. And haters talk about they kill it, but they not though. No, them Dayton spinning on that Chevy Monte Carlo. It's just another day in my hood, popping bottles. Player took the game and ran with it. Now I'm the man with it. Paint a picture for your mind, listen to the words. Give you 1,000 thoughts. Feel my pain and hurt, feel it. And if you feel that shit, it's cause we feel that shit. They used to beat for me, I'ma kill that bitch. If it's funny, then I'm on my way. Riding clean with dirty money, but I'm still getting paid. Used to sit back in class and write and recite rhymes. Now I sit back blowing loud in this grind time. Living life like I wanna, dreams don't have a limit. And that's how I continue to the last minute.
I'm doing it for the thrill.
Yeah, just living life to the fullest right now, man. It's 2012, J Ryder. Yeah.
I'm doing it for the thrill.
Smoking this loud, man. Yeah. I'm smoking killer kush, homie, trying to get my head right. Let it fly for the cheap, trying to get my bread right. And I sleep with my Mac, so I'm close to death. Can't breathe, nightmares like I held my breath. When I was young, watched the OGs put in work. Felt cold to see an OG up in that dirt. Almost 10 years, homie, but I still stay close. Pop up on the scene like a motherfucking ghost. For 2786, Mesa General, baby boy born, and Pops was a general. 52704, I'm out the door, that's my ceremony. A crook's diary, a hustle's testimony. Split the swisher down, better roll it, and hit the swisher hard. Better hold it, kill it dope and every fucking dope boy on it. The second time around, I ain't playing, I want it.
I'm doing it for the thrill.
Playing hating ass motherfuckers, man. Hating to see a little motherfucker come up, man. I came from the dirt, homie, why the fuck you hate me? Shit. Trust no man shit, homie. I still got some G's out there though. Shit. What's up? Roll another swisher while you at it, put some hash in it. Better yet, put a little bit of wax in it. Smoking with my homie while we chop it up about life. To dropping tracks for click I won, yeah, my Vegas nights. Keep it real, keep it G'd up, hustle till I re-up. Hustle, blazing all the sweet up, and I'ma kick my feet up. Sipping Bud Light Platinum where you wanna meet up. Even with an X-ray, you still couldn't see us. Feeling like my head's clear, and it's been many years. I gave my life for this shit, my blood, sweat, and tears. I set myself apart, just trying to do my part. I got a plan for success, Noah's Ark. This fast money doesn't come so easy, fuck the state. Took the money from my case, still eating, cooking up on that yay shit. I never was a basic. Fuck the prosecutor, judge, and the baby. Fuck em.
I'm doing it for the thrill.
Doing this shit all day, man.
And then I got mine. I'm going in for the
Yeah.
kill. I'm doing it.
Surround myself with family, man. Surround myself with real motherfuckers, man. 2012, homie, snakes in the grass, homie. Watch your back barrel.